Hey e-bike community, what's going on? This is Julian and welcome back. This short vlog is to post what riding a Super 73 S2 is like with a passenger. I haven't seen many videos out there yet, so here is some content if it is something you are considering. My wife and I combined weighs about 280 pounds, and for reference, I am 5'7" and she is 5 foot tall. The video is recorded on an Insta360-1R. We tested it at Lake Miramar, a 5-mile beautiful loop with windy turns. We also didn't have foot pegs yet, but the ride was manageable. The stock seats are a bit slick, but was comfortable enough for leisure riding. The bike overall performed well. We mainly tested at 10 to 15 miles per hour speeds since we weren't wearing helmets. But when we pushed its limits, the bike still goes over 25 miles per hour easily. Side note, wear your hat backwards when biking. Winds will definitely blow your hat off, as many bikers know already. In summary, the ride with a passenger felt stable and safe for leisure riding. Folks, that's a wrap for now. Kindly like and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to check out our meetup link in the description below for future group rides. Enjoy the rest of the video and see you next time.